This podcast was made with a virtual voice. Today, let's go to Barrett Street at number 29, right next to the train station. Moreover, if you come to Rouen by train, take the opportunity to start your exploration of the city with this house, just to the right when you walk out of the station. This atypical house is that of Ferdinand Marrou, an artistic ironworker, who died in 1917, who acquired his notoriety, among other things, thanks to the creation of the 4 pinnacles at the base of the spire of the cathedral. Well, since the passage of the storm of 1999, there are only 3 left. Let's go back to Ferdinand's house, which can be described as a little gem that combines sculpted wood and artistic ironwork. Completed in 1890, it was intended at the time to be the life-size representation of the spirit of the famous ironworker. Looking at it carefully, the first thing that you can observe is the abundance of decorative elements. First, there is this imposing wrought iron gate that borders the street. Then, right in the middle of the facade, you can observe this basket-shaped balcony, which forms a set of coiled and flowery stems which welcome a bay. For novices, a bay is an opening in a wall. Here, for example, it corresponds to the window. Above the door, you will notice that there is an allegory of iron workers with these 2 characters. A voluntary nod to the know-how of Ferdinand Marrou. Take the time to admire this pretty facade. For yourself, you will discover 2 busts of Hermes supported by caryatids, lead statues, and sculpted woodwork. To prolong the discovery of Ferdinand's talent while enjoying a hot drink, I give you an appointment, Saint-Germain Street at number 70. It is the former workshop of the famous ironworker transformed into a tea room entitled Dame Cakes.